Okay, I think I know what they mean now. So what there is there's a hole here on the cylinder portion of this oil damped device, whatever that thing's called. And on the plunger there is a hole as well. So what I have to do is pull this and insert. They say to use some part of a special tool, but I've got a nice drift which this may actually be better, but we'll see. So I'm going to patiently haul on this guy. Really patient apparently. Let's see if we can get this better. Wait, the other way, right? There is slow. And then put this guy in here and then let it go so it stays there. Lovely. And then release tooth belt tensioner roller. Insert camshaft. So they say use spring pin from 2024A, which is some random special tool which I don't have. Insert camshaft clamp 30 to 3391. That's this guy. Loosen both camshaft bolts and remove approximately 5 turns. Okay, we can do that. Take this guy out. These look like 15 millimeters. Do I have 15 millimeters here? These look like the big ones. Half-inch drive. No, these are the bigger ones. $15 millimeters, as I thought, and then approximately 5 turns. Okay, I'm going to call that 5. Let me not get in the way of you, dear viewer, but I guess I will. Okay. I'm going to call that 5 turns. Take out camshaft clamp 3391. For which have a come on. Okay. Come on. There you go. So maybe that's all I need that for? Who knows? Then pull off both camshaft sprockets with a special tool T40001, which I have.